Welcome, everybody. This is for Wednesday, January 19th. What we're going to be working on today is the energy pyramid simulation. So when you look at here today, assignments are posted here if you want to also. It's also posted in Schoology for the energy pyramid simulation. So the worksheet today is going to talk about directions, follow the instructions, go through the simulation, respond to the questions, prompts in the orange box. We're going to use the food chain gizmo and show the food chain with hawks, snakes, rabbits, and grass in this simulation. The hawks eat the snakes eat the rabbits, and the rabbits eat the grass. Producers are organisms that do not need to eat other organisms to attain their energy. Which organism is the producer in the food chain? If we go on the simulation, we look down here. Oh, look at our graphs. The grass is the producer. So you can just write grass in here. Then, where does the producer get its energy from? Hopefully in the next unit we'll talk more about this. But through photosynthesis, it gets it through the sun, which most of you already know. Consumers must eat other organisms. Which are the other consumers in this food chain? That would be things that have to eat other things. Well, what do we see? We see that the rabbits have to eat the grass. The snakes eat the rabbits, and then the hawks eat the snakes. So, got a little food chain here. What is our initial population? It gives us there's numbers here. The hawks would be 34. Hopefully I can just write it to make it faster. The snakes are 230. And then the rabbits are 2,070. And then the grass from the simulation, 27,300. Okay. Select the bar chart. Click play. What do you notice about each population as it goes by? All right, we got the bar chart here. I click play. Maybe show them numerical values. Oh, blank percent of their balance. They're all staying around 100. So what do we say over this? What happens over time? There's some fluctuation between the populations, but not too much. So I would just say populations stay around 100%. Populations don't change that much. We call that equilibrium. So they're at equilibrium now, staying about 100. Notice the population decreases as you go from the bottom to the top of the food chain. Why do you think this? Think back to the moon jelly and sea turtle lab that we did last Thursday with the cards. Think about that. This diagram will show decreasing populations each level. This is called the energy pyramid. All you're going to do today is when you roll the simulation, you can do the starting population, right? The starting population. But what we're going to do is you're going to double one of the populations. So you're going to highlight, change one, which population you're going to change, only one. So you're going to highlight either grass, rabbits, snakes, or hawks. How do you double the population? I'm going to click pause. And then you can just go healthy if you want to do, if you want to say double the hawks or double the snakes. Say, notice the number here, doubling it goes up to here, 200%, doubling it. Roll play, see what happens. And you notice you can even use a graph for this. So for this, double the population. And then you can just click play. Go for 3 months. Ooh, look at the lines. See what's going on here. Why does this happen? Why are these populations increasing? Why are the purple and the green decreasing? And then write that in the worksheet. Then you're going to do the opposite. Just half of the population. One of the populations, grass, rabbits, or snakes. Highlight the one that you want to highlight, that you're going to have. Both times you're just going to record the populations after 3 months. And then please do your analysis questions. That is it for today. We want to see how does changing one population affect the other ones, either by doubling or halving. That is it. So 3 months, and if you want to look at the table will also tell you like how long what the populations were. You can just use the table if you want to write that data in the worksheet. That is it. Please email if you have any questions or concerns. Thanks so much. Have a good day.